Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to generate high quality images with Leonardo AI. So first of all, if you are new, you come to the image creation here on the left side. The second thing is that you need tokens in order to generate images. Then over here I would choose the right model. Okay, so you need to choose the right model. You can pick the anime, maybe Phoenix, depends on what you want. I'm gonna pick the lifelike vision, and second thing, you need to write the prompt. So I got a prompt right here. The more detailed the prompt, the better the image is going to be. Okay, so you place it here. Then you need the negative prompts. So over here, advanced settings, you go to negative prompt and turn this on. Then you write the things that you don't want in the picture. If you don't want the text, so you just write a text. Let's just add it here. Text. If you don't want other stuff, you just write here what you don't want in the picture. So then adjust the setting for quality. So over here, as you can see, generation mode should be quality. But no, when you set it to quality over here, it's gonna cost more tokens. So as you can see, 7. If I do quality, it's 24 now. Now, the medium contrast, the style also depends on what you want, what kind of style. I'm just gonna leave it with dynamic. Then the size depends what kind of size. I'm gonna do it for mobile, and then let's generate 2 images. The more images, the more it's gonna cost, right? So I'm gonna do 4 images, and then let's generate. Now the next step is it's generating images now. The next step is to upscale and download the image. Now you can upscale right here in the app, but it's gonna cost tokens. If you have some other place where you can do it, then it's better to use for free, but here it's gonna cost tokens. So let's just wait until it's generating the images. So over here you have the upscale, as you can see. You click here, you can play with all the settings, and then you upscale over here. As you can see, it's gonna upscale it now. So yeah, so that's the image. That's how you do a high quality image. Thank you for watching.